Hi everyone, and welcome to first Ultrax Sports Science videos. My name is Marko Matušinskij, and I'm currently working as a head of sports science or performance science at Ultrax. And my idea with these videos is to show you what the platform can do. So in this first episode, I will try to walk you through the most essential parts of it and the things that you can expect from the whole platform. So we will start with the first just overview of the system and what system can do. But before I start with this, uh, I need to explain the whole process, how this system functions. So we built a web app that you can see right now here, and we have three different mobile apps. Why it's like this? Well, it's because of the communication and the data gathering between the team, coach, player, and parents. As you will see on the left side, that we have also the models for parents. And when we create like every training session working with a team in rehab or maybe with any other person that you are doing the training session, we need to create some training session or we need to create some calendar and training. And when we create it, then this information goes to the client's or player's mobile, and he can see what he need to do on that particular day or maybe the week after. When the training session is done, we gather this information from mobile devices, but also third parties integrations like Polar, Garmin's, Aura Rings, GPS data, and anything that you can imagine. The data is going back to the web system, and then this web system is showing the analysis here. So we have the main dashboard with the basic stats. We have the calendar. You will see the performance dashboard, training load dashboard, and later in videos, I will show you how you can create your training protocols, training programs, but also drills. But let's go and let's start with basics, like everything in sports science and in training. So at the beginning of establishment, every organization, we need to create our team, staff members, and players. So on the add new button, you can create your players and you can put the basic information about the players like weight, height. You can select the team that this player is inside, of course, user account, and we can select different integrations for the players, so the catapult or maybe the polar team system. When we create all the players, we need to put this player into a team, so we can create a new team. We can we can we can put a short name and we can connect also the integration for that player. And of course, after that, we need some staff members and we can create the staff members. We can put the coach type and we can assign this coach to different level of teams. Again, here you can see different reporting systems and what this coach can see or can do. So we basically have automated reporting system where you can put the timing and do you want this report to come on your mail. So we have morning reports, evening reports, event reports, monthly, weekly, and everything that is important. Again, you can receive the feedback from the player and you can receive smart notifications. And I will explain in some of the videos what these smart notifications mean. Besides that, we can create the locations where we train. Again, we can create testing protocols. So in the system, we have more than 1,000 testing protocols, but now I will just show you the logic behind it. So the testing protocol, and you can put any type of testing protocol inside that you want. And all of these other segments I will show you later in videos. When you create all of this in your admin area on the left side, you can see your created players, your created teams, staff members, parents who can see some part of the system and some part of the application that you want, like calendar, maybe some basic reports, locations, your testing protocols, testing procedures that you've done with your team, membership plans, devices that you connect, like GPS devices that you connect on your team, and of course, Polar Team Insiders, Catapult. And on the last one is performance. Again, I will talk more about it, but it's a basic uh, organization level where you can select on your summary how you want to see your screens in summary. Example in RP, GPS data, heart rate, and RR interval. So if I select here this variable will be shown in performance, training load, and main dashboard. Uh, to finish, I will finish with this. So when you go to the player, by clicking on a player, you can see even more details than when creating the player, like putting the preferred foot, jersey number, the status, what is happening with the player. And again, I think this is very important to mention. You can manipulate when you want notifications to go to the player's mobile device, and you can select which days, the timing, how much before or after the training session, how soon after, and the player can create their own events. They can be allowed to reschedule the event. So imagine that you are working with a player who is outside your country and you don't have the access to his training plan, but the player can create this training plan by himself. And the player again can see the training stats, can view performance data, and can see the testing results or wellness data.